Using Credit.com balance transfer is a smart financial move that can help you save money and pay off debt faster. To start, let's define what a balance transfer is. It's the process of moving an outstanding balance from one credit card to another, usually to take advantage of a lower interest rate. The key concept here is to transfer your balance to a credit card with a 0% introductory annual percentage rate, or APR. This means you won't be charged interest on your balance for a specified period, typically ranging from 6 to 21 months. Now, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you have a credit card with a 20% APR and a balance of $2,000. If you transfer this balance to a credit card with a 0% introductory APR for 12 months, you can save around $400 in interest over the first year. To make the most of a balance transfer, follow these best practices. First, choose a credit card with a long 0% introductory APR period and no balance transfer fee. Second, make sure you understand the regular APR that will apply after the introductory period ends. Third, create a plan to pay off your balance in full before the introductory APR expires. Using Credit.com balance transfer can also help you simplify your finances by consolidating multiple credit card balances into one account. This can make it easier to keep track of your payments and avoid late fees. In addition, Credit.com provides a range of tools and resources to help you find the best balance transfer credit card for your needs. Their website allows you to compare different credit cards, read reviews, and even get pre-approved for a credit card. In conclusion, using Credit.com balance transfer can be a great way to save money and pay off debt faster. By understanding the key concepts, following best practices, and using the right tools and resources, you can make informed decisions about your finances and achieve your financial goals.